Good morning, grade 2. How are you today? I hope all of you are fine and okay. Today we are going to start a new lesson, lesson 9.4, problem solving, add and subtract lenses or lenses. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to deal with problem solving. And as I told you before, that problem solving is considered the most important question in math because you have not only to understand the concept, but you should be able to analyze it. Okay? So we can consider it a high level of analytical skills. Okay? So what we have to do is to read the problem and understand the information we have in the problem, which information are we going to use, and what we are asked to find, or what do we need to find. Okay, now let's open our books, lesson 9.4, page 681, and it says Nate had 23 centimeters of string. He gave 9 centimeters of string to Myra. Okay, now I want you to highlight the word give. Okay, I want you to highlight the word give, because this is a very important keyword in our problem. Now, whenever you give someone something or a part of what you have, okay, you can find your stuff become less or more. Let's imagine that, away from all the measuring units and all those stuff. Okay, let's imagine that I have 3 apples, red apples, and I decided to give Omar one of my apples. Okay, so I will give Omar one of my apples. So how many apples I'm going to have? 2, only 2. So when you give someone part of what you already have, the thing that you have become less, and here for the string it will be shorter. Okay, now Nate had 23 centimeters of string and he gave 9 centimeters of string to Myra. How much string does Nate have now? Okay, what do I need to find? Of course, I need to find how much string does Nate have now after he gave Myra the 9 centimeters. Okay, so you're going to trace this. How much string Nate has now? Or actually, sometimes you can say how long Nate's string is now. This could be another form of the question. So let's see, what information do I need to use? Nate had how many centimeters? The string is made of how many centimeters? Excellent, as it was mentioned inside the problem right here that he had 23 centimeters. Now he gave how many centimeters of string to Myra? 9. Excellent, good job. So let's show how to solve the problem. As you can see here, this is Nate's string, which was 23 centimeters. You can see it like this. This is going to be the red one. Like, let's imagine that this is the string. Okay, this is the old one before giving anyone anything. Then he decided to give 9 centimeters of string to Myra. So what are we going to do now? We are going to count back 9, so we can say, okay, this is the part that was given to Myra. Okay, so let's go back. You will start from here. Now 1, 2,